Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Is your Bluetooth device connected, but you're getting no sound? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you all the working fixes to solve the Bluetooth no sound problem easily. Fix 1. Check volume levels. First, increase the volume on both your phone and Bluetooth device. Sometimes the device volume is set to minimum. Fix 2. Select correct audio output while playing audio. Open the sound output options. Make sure Bluetooth is selected instead of phone speaker. Fix 3. Disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off, wait 10 seconds and turn it on again. Reconnect your Bluetooth device. Fix 4. Forget and pair device again. Go to Bluetooth settings and tap on the connected device. Select forget and pair it again. Fix 5. Check media audio settings. Android. On Android, tap the Bluetooth device settings. Make sure media audio is turned on. Fix 6. Check sound output on iPhone. On iPhone, open Control Center. Long press the audio panel and select your Bluetooth device. Fix 7. Restart phone and Bluetooth device. Restart your phone and also power off your Bluetooth device. Then turn them on again. Fix 8. Update phone software. Check for software updates on your phone. Outdated software can cause Bluetooth issues. Fix 9. Reset network settings. Last option. As a last option, reset network settings. Note, this will remove Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. These were the best fixes for Bluetooth connected, but no sound problem. One of these methods will definitely work for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.